Welcome back to Base Camp, WNC. As you can tell, this is a little bit different than what we normally shoot. This happened about 3 years ago now, starting on the third year. This happened to a friend. This was a tornado went through, half-mile wide, 7 miles long. And I pose a question. Would you rather have 10 true friends, or would you rather have $10,000? In the events that come forward, you truly saw the meaning of a friendship.
Well, this is the cottage now. The original cottage right there is 20 by 32. We built it back on the same footprint. Changed it over. It was a Dutch barn looking like thing, and now it's a full vaulted ceiling in the living room, 1 bedroom, full bath, and walk-in closet. There's attic storage over about half of it. But as time and money allows, we've added a front porch on it. That was added last year. They've got everything now to finish it up. And there's a back porch on it we're going to be working on and finishing up. We're going to take you around and show you this thing, but as time and money allows, they're finishing up. As you can tell, there's one 4x4 left here on the post. We're taking them out, putting these white columns, and I'm going to show you the house over there. That's their house. This is a little rental cottage, and I'll show you that, and this whole thing will make sense. Well, this is the owner's house, and you can see the white columns on it. It is on the coast, so it is jacked up off the ground about 12 foot for tidal storm surge. And there's the cottage that was rebuilt after that tornado. That was the original cottage on the property, the original house. And we'll take you around back and show you the backyard, and we'll show you the building in the back. But we built this house 11 years ago now, and 2 years ago the tornado came through and wreaked havoc. Let me pan you around and show you some other parts of the property. Everything here was woods. From here right on out to the road, you can see a few of these dead snag trees right here. That's the size of the timber was there. The pond was not there. It gave them justification to dig a pond. That's a 1 acre pond we dug right there. You can dig up to 1 acre pond in South Carolina without getting a dirt mining permit. But the day this all happened, it was a tornado, like I said, about a half-mile wide, 7 miles long, and everything was blocked up, road, everything else. All the houses around here, you can tell from the woods across the street, everybody is still suffering it. This is going on almost year 3 now. So let me take you around the back end of the house. Here's the back end of the house. Stadium seating coming all the way down, which means it's like 2 boards wide. They did put a swimming pool in when the house was built. Then we'll go around there. If you've ever looked up my website, you'll see pictures of this barn right here. This is on this property. And that is a 60 foot wide and 80 foot long barn with a shed out the side. Been many a church group and fundraisers done here. Have a fire pit out in the front. They got a little over about 12 acres here on the property. They are involved in the Labrador Rescue Program. So they have a fair amount of activity and parties and fundraisers here. But we'll take you around the back end of the cottage and show you how things are slowly progressing back there. Well, here we're looking at the back end of it. You can see where that back porch has been added. There's the infamous stump of the tree. Like I said, that thing is 73 inches in diameter. That's 6 foot across. Yard takes a beating. Last week, the week before Easter, they had 22 Labradors on this yard and the other yard, working with that Labrador Rescue Program. So the yards pretty much take a pretty good beating between the hole digging, tearing things up, chewing on everything. We are going to take that stump, probably dig out around it, or fill in around it, one or the other, cut it off flat. We're thinking about making an oyster roasting table pavilion out of it. Something to remember it by. As usual, if you like it, subscribe, hit the bell or the button, become activated in it, tell your friends about it, share it. We're gaining, we're almost 70 people now strong. Thank you for watching. Bye.